How to create content. It's what I'm talking about today. I do believe that creating content is very easy if you master the strategies that are used by those whom you confirm that they are good content creators. In today's video, I will share with you my strategies that I use whenever I'm creating content on social media. My name is Abdulrahman Kajumba, an author and enthusiast to self-improvement. So, the first thing you got to think about is, why do you want to become a content creator? It's very, very important. A lot of people, what they are having in their mind is that I want to become a content creator to get what we call financial independence, that I'll be paid from the content that I create. That's good. But it won't be easy if that is your direct intention. Your main objective is to create content to get money. You need to be with experience. You need to be with wisdom in a certain field, in a niche. Therefore, when you confirm that your main reason fine is to make money, you got to put in more hard work, because many people are getting disappointed. Someone told them that when you become a content creator, in 1 month you can make 10,000 USD. Okay. For him, he comes on internet, he starts creating for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. He is not seeing any result as in money. Then these are the people whom you see that are quitting. But I request you to think far like me. I believe that whatever that is valuable in the long run, you can't succeed about it very easily. Because it was very easy to succeed at everything that is very important in our life. Everything could have won very easy. Everything could have come on internet and he makes 20 videos. At the end of the day, YouTube pays him and he gets his success. But it's not that way. You got to put in much hard work. Who knows you if you are a new creator? How do you trust your content? We believe in the value of what you share when you show the results from what you're sharing to us as a content creator. So what I request you to do is to have a long-term goal why you've decided to become a content creator. Me, I have 2 goals why I decided to become a content creator. I was lacking confidence when I was growing, and I realized that the way how I will become confident is to come out on internet. I share what I believe in, then I demand you to criticize me about my accent, about my logic, about what I've talked about. So when you condemn what I've talked about, it can send me back on the drawing board to think about your condemnation, of which it will sharpen my thinking. It will sharpen me to become confident, because I will be remembering that when I spoke about this, one guy commented on my video in this way. I was on someone's social media account, and the guy said that this guy is trying to talk in a humble way. Is it that he is humble? It came into my mind that many people believe in what they see about us when we go on internet, on the social media. But doesn't mean that because I'm humble on social media will just come and attack me. I don't defend myself. So that's one. Secondly, I have people whom I adore every day, my daughter and my siblings. I realized that I have got much experience that I've got from these life challenges. We learn in a 2-way. You can learn from other people, or you can learn through suffering. So I have suffered much and I have learned much. That's why I'm writing. I just finished my first book, The 20 Life Questions and Answers to Empower Every Teenager. Is on internet. So the compilation that is in that book, I'm thinking as a content creator, when my daughter starts to enthuse reading, she will be reading my book because she respects me, she believes in me. When she see or when she will see what I've written, it will be very easy for her to transform based on what I have written. That's the two second factor why I decided to become a content creator. One, I said I wanted to become confident, of which I will get that confidence from the condemnation that I will get from the audience, so that I fix my weaknesses. I wanted to inspire my daughter and my siblings. That's why I became a content creator. Other results will come in. I'll be paid fine in the long run. I'm on TikTok. I just recorded around 900 videos. I've got some following. I've got friends. I have been paid some money from that social media account from different outlets, but I'm still enthusiastic of this journey of being a content creator because I want to inspire my daughter. She is still young. She has not figured out what life is. So I'm thinking by the time she reaches around 10 or 11, she will see me that my dad talked about this. Let me try to listen to what he was saying. Even now, she is on our social media, but she can see my video. I know she doesn't understand what I'm talking about, but she likes the video. So it will be very, very easy for her to listen to what I'm saying by that time when she starts getting resonated with value from social media. So I have rambled, sorry about that, but now you've got a major reason why you decide to become a content creator. Fine, you want money. As me, I've talked about inspiring my daughter and other siblings. Where are you going to get the content that you'll be always talking about? It is very important to design your niche based on your passion, so that you don't be in these people that will create 200 videos and you are like, I'm bored and I don't know what I'm going to talk about. Share with us what you're passionate about or what you are experienced in, because it's a two-way. I might be experienced in something, but it's not what I'm passionate about much. I've been in aviation for the last 11 years, okay? But it doesn't mean that I'm passionate about what I'm doing there up to now. I might be passionate about writing. So I can decide to become a content creator in the nature of being a non-fiction writer, of which I love much, or I can decide to be a content creator that is always talking about aviation, airport operations, because I also have experience about that. So make sure that you are becoming a content creator with the wisdom about what you're passionate about, or with the mentality of sharing what you are experienced in. Because whatever you know, there is someone coming in that is inquisitive to know what you are knowing. You've been working for 20 years somewhere. There is someone that just been employed somewhere. He is looking how to win in that field that you've been in for long, which means he'll be looking for your content. It's about you to share in the way how you will be understood, so that you can succeed in your goal. Why do you decided to become a content creator? I'll give you an example. I request you to go on internet, on short-term social media platforms like X or Twitter. You read about something like now I just wrote my one of my posts here. I said most people quit early. The solution is not to quit what has not worked out early. Okay, I will stop there, but go on social media platforms, read and understand Can you try to think about what you've understood? How can it work for you? Even you can assess, if you are a prodigy, you can assess what you've studied and understood, because it's not enough for you to read something and understand it. Can you assess it? You might understand something, but it's not working for you. By the way, this has become a major factor why many people complain about other people's ideas, courses that they study on internet. That's why many people are condemning motivational speakers. It's okay to read something and understand, but you got to assess to get the result. What has worked for you might not work for me. It could have worked for me, you studied it from me, but the environment where you are in, you cannot get the result that I got. So it's very important as a content creator to read, understand, assess. In case you share a video on internet and someone just comes in to oppose you, you can defend yourself based on what you got when you assess the same strategy or wisdom. But guys, when you read a book that is talking about thinking, you start to see life in a big picture. So someone who has never read a book about thinking, he might oppose what you are talking about. But again, me, I read about the power of subconscious mind. I know how our mind works. I know what we call conscious mind and subconscious mind. I just gave an example. So, to be precise, go on social media, learn, understand, assess, then share what you've understood and assessed. That is when you'll be passionate all the time, where you will be vlogging or blogging or writing as a good content creator. On another way, you can go on platforms like YouTube or Spotify. I'll give you also another example. On YouTube, okay, go on YouTube. Okay, I'll go here. I show you something, because we got to be phenomenal these days. Do you understand what you're talking about? Recently, I've been listening to.
Says give me 2 months to get.
I've been listening to one of my smart guy whom I always enjoy. Okay, Danko. He said like this:
the best one-person business for smart people going into 2025 or any year after. But what you'll realize is that this isn't a business model, and it isn't necessarily for smart people. Now, I want you to imagine the future with me. A future where creators are the new teachers. Online courses are decentralized schooling. Individuals pursue their interests and teach those with a similar personality.
Okay, you heard what he talked about. He's trying to bring out a picture that these days, social media is the school for the new generation. It's the way how I have understood him. So I'll make more research of what he has talked about to see whether it's working out, of which it's true. You rather learn something from internet, you go and do it the way how you have understood it, than going wasting your time when you are in the university. You know, people are learning how to become employees from universities. I'm not condemning you when you are, who is there, but realistically, why don't you learn from someone that has done what you want to do, so that you get the result from someone that has got the result that you want? So you go on social media like YouTube, you take your time listening to someone or watching someone, you summarize the way how you have understood, then assess the result from that video, then come on the camera, share with us. Is that very hard to become a content creator based on what you understand? I think it's very easy. In fact, when you always share what you understand, what you're passionate about, you will be always having something to share with us on internet. A good content creator is always having an idea to talk about. A good content creator, he is that guy who will just go and sit in the public for 5 minutes. He get what to share with his or her followers. Do not be like these people that are hypothetical. Whatever they heard that someone said, they didn't assess, and then when they want to share with us, when we try to juxtapose or we try to have an analogy of what they believe in, they get angry with us. Do not be that guy. Anyway, this video might be also very important to you. Please, I request to watch it. Let's meet in another video. I'm called Abdulrahman Kajum.